Yeah, open the box.
Let's do it.
Can you're gonna pull it out? I'll pull the box.
You think it's a truck?
Yeah. Whoa!
Whoa!
It's another remote control one. It's another remote.
I already knew what it was. That's why I said, whoa!
Fire Bob.
Fire Bob. So this says 6-channel Bulldozer. 6-channel RC Bulldozer.
Same controller like.
I know.
It's by the same people.
It's by the same people. Gear.
I like
Best.
trucks.
Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. Same kind of controller you can see right in there.
Yeah. Okay, let's get it out.
And this comes with a charger because the truck uses rechargeable batteries. 1/18 scale. Let's check it out, Kane. Oh, I love that metal bucket right there.
Yep.
That is awesome. Very well made. It is a 1/18 scale. What do you think?
It doesn't come with that walkie-talkie thing.
Let's check this out. So look at that. Big old tires, rubber tires. Jackson's getting that remote control. I got some batteries in my pocket. That's cool. You think it's going to raise this up, Kane?
Yeah.
There you go. There's an up close from that side.
My birthday's almost here.
Jackson's birthday's coming up.
It's in 15 days.
15 days. July 26th. I remember you saying that last year when we did a video. And so then here's a steering wheel inside. Can you see that, Kane? Isn't that cool? Smokestack.
Yeah.
Back of it. Other side of it.
We got the controller. You put the batteries in it.
Yeah, so let me ask you a question, Jackson and Kane. So this controller right here, RC, remote control, radio control, whatever you want to call it, this has 2 batteries, right? Double A's that go right in here.
Yeah.
There's a little screw hole thing, and we already put the batteries in.
Yep.
Kane, can you turn that button on so we can see? Oh, you already did. So see how it's flashing right there? And then let's take a look real quickly at all the buttons and the knobs. It looks real similar to the other one. It's got an up-down button for the bucket,
Look at
forward, backwards.
two of these can move.
So the other part is right here, and this is what we have to charge. I had charged it for about an hour, but apparently I need about another 30 minutes or so. And this item does come with a charger, right, Jackson?
Yeah.
Right, Kane?
Yeah. I like that.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Once you charge it for 60, 90 minutes, it'll stay for, I'm not really sure how long, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe more.
This is really not the same one like the other one.
Yeah, the excavator has a different one, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.